unboxing both of these as well as giving you all the benefits with each one of them. So they both contain a lot of similar ingredients. However, Trio Lux came out about a year ago. It is meant to be richer, heavier, and for more dry, dehydrated, maybe even post-procedure skin. I actually put a lot of people on this after Halo, and they stayed on it all winter long. Now, if you tend to be more normal to oily, stick with Trio. But if you tend to be more normal to dry, consider trying Trio Lux. I'm gonna unbox this right now and break it down for you. So first and foremost, they both come in this plastic wrap, tamper-proof, so you know whether or not it's been opened, but I do have one here that I already opened, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab that and show it to you. This is the box after you've taken that plastic wrap off. It is 1.7 ounces and the container is awesome. I like this for traveling because the pump can't get pumped in your suitcase, okay? Pop off the top. You don't have to twist. It's really simple to open it up, okay? So we're gonna pop off the top and then apply it to the top of my hand. So I'm gonna put it on here. One pump is sufficient, okay? And this is a hyaluronic acid that has a patent on a triple type of moisturizer, okay? Like I said, dry, dehydrated skin. It also contains niacinamide, which OG Trio does not, but they both are paraben-free, fragrance-free, cruelty-free. So they tend to be really hydrating without any irritation. Now, what I love in Old Trio, which is also in this one, and this is like silky, it feels like a light moisturizer, but it goes into the skin. So the point of a hyaluronic acid is actually to go into the skin and then work as a humectant to hold moisture in and not just have all of that evaporate out of the cells, right? So think of a grape versus a dehydrated grape. Your skin, with all the fatty acids that are in the ingredient decks of both of these, it actually helps to make your skin appear more supple and smooth because it's so hydrated, okay? That's why people are doing hyaluronic acid injections. Sometimes people put, you know, a syringe of Juvederm in their lips, and yes, it augments them slightly, but it hardly augments them. If anything, it just kind of plumps them up, puts that hydration back in, right? The people that you see that, okay, so now I put it on this hand, and this hand doesn't have anything. The glow that you see is probably due to the form of vitamin C they use. It does help give your skin a glow, and I notice it right when I use it as well. So that's Trio Lux, 1.7 ounces, retails for $180. Great post-procedure, great for normal to dry or dehydrated skin, or if you're going on vacation someplace cold. If you live in a city like Kansas City, where I live, spring and summer, Trio all the way. Okay, for somebody that just has normal skin. Fall, winter, consider switching to Trio Lux. Okay, so now let's unbox this one. So this is OG Trio, and when you get it right, you get it right. You can layer moisturizer over top either one of these, and I'm about to actually share with you my latest moisturizer obsession because I just think Omni moisturizer is pretty fantastic. I'll tell you more about that in another video, but comment below if you have tried either one of these and what your experience is. So we're gonna take all this off and pop this open. All right. And the way that this top works, again, you can't pump it unless it's twisted up. So it's really nice if you travel. Again, 1.7 ounces. This one retails for $160. Both contain caffeine, both contain the vitamin C, both have a patent on the type of hyaluronic acid they're using. The other one, the Trio Lux, is just richer. This one is gonna give you deep hydration without the weight, okay? Again, if you put eye cream on, which I'm obsessed with, and I will put this over, like I'll take it all the way up because it has caffeine to help reduce any puffiness. So you twist here, and I just put fingerprints on there. All right, it's gonna take me a minute. So I put Trio Lux on this hand, I'm gonna put Trio on this hand, okay. It's gonna take a couple pumps probably. Yeah, there we go. All right, so you see even the color, this one's a little bit lighter. And then you twist it down, all right? Set that to the side, and I'm just gonna rub this in so you can kind of see. So this feels way more lightweight. Neither one of them have dimethicone. So if you're somebody that deals with blemishes or any problematic skin, you're going to really like Trio, because you notice that it kind of brightens up your complexion without adding to the problem. So I love Trio. It doesn't smell like anything, as I mentioned. And now side by side, I have to be honest, I can feel that deeper hydration over top this hand versus this one, but this one's perfect. So for me in the summer, during the day, if I use that, or in the evening, if I use that, I probably would not layer over top moisturizer. My skin just doesn't need it. If you feel dry, you should layer over top with a moisturizer, okay? It's just gonna help lock and seal everything in. However, if you feel good, great. Just honor whatever your skin needs that specific night, the time of year, and maybe what you're going through depending on your age or just what you've been exposed to. All right, comment below with any questions. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you soon.